everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Revolution Reloaded Deep Dive palette, and this is the look that I'm going to be creating with this. And if you like this type of videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. You can also follow me on Instagram, but if you want to see the review on this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so just like I did last week with the Red Alert palette, I'm starting with nothing on my face. And this is what the palette looks like. On the back you only have the shade numbers, you don't have shade names. And this one was also for €99. So I'm going to start by swatching from the top left corner all the way to the bottom right. Okay, so here we have the first 8 shades on the palette. Now all the colors seemed very creamy while swatching, but the matte colors are a little bit crumbly, although they do have a really nice pigmentation. And the shimmers are very impressive, especially this last one. Okay, and then these are the final 7 colors of the palette. Again, the matte, that green matte in the middle, was a little bit crumbly, but it's super pigmented and the shimmers are really impressive. I really liked especially this kind of champagne color in here. Okay, so now I just gotta figure out what I want to do. I just primed this lid with the Essence Camouflage Concealer, and I've set it with a little bit of the Revolution Pro pressed powder. So I'm going to start with this matte dark blue on my crease. And really packing the color. Actually not very used to working with blue eyeshadow, but now I guess Jeffree Star kind of brought blue eyeshadow back. And now I am going to blend this blue with this lighter one. This is looking already very extra. Just using a little bit more of that dark blue on the outer corner. And I'm going to try and deepen even more of that outer corner with this shade here. Okay, so these colors blended very easily. Now I feel like doing a cut crease, so I'm just gonna do that in a second. Okay, so that is the cut crease done. Now on the outer part, I'm going to use this one. I packed the color and I dragged it out. Now on the next bit I'm going to do the same with this one, the next with this one in the middle, and then finally on the inner corner I'm going to do the same with this. These two close to each other look a little bit similar, but this shimmer in the middle of the palette is slightly a little bit lighter. Yeah, that silver is really pigmented, really nice. Okay, so I mean, as far as this goes, I'm really happy how the colors blended, and those shimmers look really nice. And I think I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll do the lower lash line. Okay, so I just finished the rest of my face. I kind of went for a little lighter coverage. Now I gotta do the lower lash line. So for that, I think I'm just going to use these two matte colors that I used before, the darker close to my lashes, and then blend it with the lighter one. Okay, here on the lower lash line, a little bit closer to the outer corner, I'm going to use this shade just a little bit. And I'm adding a little bit more of the silver on my inner corner. I did a very simple eyeliner. And I think I'm going to try that silver to highlight the brow bone. Yeah, just a little bit. It looks nice. Then I'm blending it with my finger so it doesn't look like too much. Okay, so this is a close-up of the eyes done, and it's probably not a look for every day, but for like a festival I think it would be really nice, or if you just like bold colors, then go for it. And yeah, I think the shadows blended very well. Now, I'm going to pair it with a blue lipstick. This is the Kiko Instant Color Matte, and this is in the shade 13. And this kind of has to be done, so I'm just gonna finish my lips, then I'll be right back for my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the finished look. I know that is a lot, but you can also pair it with a nude lipstick. It will also go very well with the blue, but this, I kind of needed to do it. But yeah, I mean, in terms of the palette, I think it worked really well. Now, there was a little bit of fallout, especially from the matte colors, but if you start with your eyes first, which you probably should when you're doing something this colorful, then you can just wipe it off, and that's not a big deal. And yeah, I kind of really want to try something also with the creams, but in terms of blue eyeshadow, I think it's really nice. And even if you don't want to do a full blue look, it can also be really good to complement a more neutral palette. And yeah, I guess that for the price, this was pretty great, and I am very happy how the look turned out. If you also liked the look and if you liked the review, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every Monday and Thursday. And that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!